Hey everyone, I have the Makita saw and it's just not showing any light here. Let's check how the brushes looks. And the brush looks not bad. Moving the second brush. Looks not bad. Now I will measure the voltage here. Check, do we have a voltage here? No, we have nothing here. Okay, let's go for the handle. Key. This screw can be tightened back again, and let's try to find the problem here. And yeah, I have suspected this problem on the look of this terminal here, so we need to find a new terminal, repair the cables, and it will be good back working saw again. Okay, I will solder this one and find the terminal. Okay, made the cable joints, the connection, we have soldered it. I don't know why, but I used to do that. Okay, connected the wire, joined it, made it a little bit longer. Okay, and now what we know, the white one was positive, I hope so. The black one was, now the blue one and the black one, they was negative. Okay, just connecting everything, putting back, making sure that the wires are laying in a position for them, in a gap, housing gap. Okay, now we have everything fitted in. I will pull the housing. Checking if the switch works. Okay. You need to get this screw. So the washer, the nut, and this one's fixated, it's released. Okay. The folding ring. Not forgetting about the Allen key. And nice, we have it working. Back again with the easy fix. Thumbs up, thank you for watching, and bye.